Tired of flimsy pans, uneven cooking, and sticky messes that take forever to clean? The T-fal Ultimate Hard-Anodized Nonstick Cookware set is here to change the way you cook, forever. With 17 premium pieces built from ultra-durable, hard-anodized aluminum and enhanced with titanium non-stick coating, this kitchen powerhouse is designed for serious performance and everyday convenience. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or entertaining guests with a gourmet feast, this set delivers consistent results, effortless cleanup, and unmatched versatility. From fry pans to a Dutch oven, a griddle to a steamer insert, it's everything you need in one sleek, dishwasher-safe collection. And with thermospot technology that tells you exactly when your pan is ready to cook, you'll cook smarter and better every time. Ready to turn your kitchen into a culinary playground? Let's dive into what makes this set a #1 bestseller. What's included in the set? The T-fal Ultimate 17-piece cookware set covers virtually every cooking task you can think of. Here's what you get. Fry pans, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 11.5-inch with lid, griddle, 10.25-inch square griddle, saucepans, 1 quart, 2 quart, and 3 quart, all with lids, sauté pan, 3.5 quart deep sauté pan with lid, Dutch oven, 5 quart with lid, steamer insert, 3 quart, and egg wonder fry pan, a fun, tiny fry pan perfect for single eggs or small servings. This wide selection gives you the flexibility to prepare a variety of dishes, whether you're simmering sauces, frying eggs, searing meats, or steaming vegetables. Build quality and material, built to last. One of the biggest strengths of this set lies in its hard-anodized aluminum construction. Hard anodizing is a process that strengthens aluminum and gives it a durable, non-reactive finish. The result is cookware that resists corrosion, scratching, and warping, common pitfalls of cheaper sets. T-fal's titanium-reinforced nonstick coating takes things a step further. Unlike standard nonstick coatings, this advanced surface is designed to be longer-lasting and more resistant to wear. Food glides off effortlessly, making both cooking and cleanup significantly easier. Despite being metal utensil compatible, it's still wise to use silicone or wooden tools to preserve the coating as long as possible. Performance features: thermospot technology. T-fal's patented thermospot technology is a standout feature for beginner and experienced cooks alike. Each pan includes a red circle in the center that turns solid when the pan is perfectly preheated. Why is this useful? Preheating pans to the correct temperature helps seal in juices and flavor, particularly when cooking meats and proteins. No more guesswork. You'll know exactly when to start cooking. The heat distribution is excellent thanks to the even heat base, which helps eliminate hot spots that can cause uneven cooking or burning. Usability and comfort. Designed for everyday cooking. Functionality extends beyond the stovetop with the oven-safe design. These pans can handle oven temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the tempered glass lids are safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows you to move dishes directly from the stovetop to the oven for finishing, baking, or roasting. The riveted silicone handles stay cool on the stovetop and offer a soft, comfortable grip that gives you better control while cooking. The vented glass lids allow you to monitor your food without lifting the lid, preserving heat and moisture for better results. Additionally, this cookware set is dishwasher-safe, adding to its everyday practicality. Compatibility. What stovetops work? The T-fal Ultimate Hard-Anodized set is compatible with gas and electric stovetops, but not with induction cooktops. If you're using an induction stove, you'll need to look for a cookware set that includes a magnetic base. Health and safety. Toxin-free cooking. For health-conscious cooks, this set provides peace of mind. The cookware is cadmium-free and PFOA-free, ensuring that no harmful chemicals will leach into your food. The titanium non-stick surface also means you can cook with less oil or butter, great for anyone watching their fat intake. Design and aesthetics. Functional elegance. While function is king in the kitchen, the T-fal Ultimate set doesn't disappoint in the looks department. The sleek, black, hard-anodized finish gives a modern and professional feel to your cookware collection. It's understated yet elegant, allowing it to blend into a variety of kitchen styles. Cleaning and maintenance, as easy as it gets. One of the highlights of this set is how easy it is to clean. The non-stick interior ensures food doesn't stick, and all pieces are dishwasher safe for convenience. Still, hand washing can help extend the life of the non-stick surface over time. Even after heavy use, users report that cleanup remains quick and hassle-free, a big win for busy families or home chefs who cook often. Customer feedback. What are people saying? With over 40,000 reviews and a consistent 4.7 out of 5-star rating, customers love this cookware set for its durability, performance, and value. Key praise points include even heat distribution, long-lasting non-stick performance, ease of cleaning, high versatility of included pieces. Some minor drawbacks mentioned by users include the lack of induction compatibility, a slightly heavier weight, which can be a plus for stability but a downside for some users. Overall, customer sentiment is overwhelmingly positive, and it's especially popular among first-time buyers or those upgrading from basic cookware. Final verdict. Is the T-fal Ultimate 17-piece cookware set worth it? In a word, yes. The T-fal Ultimate Hard-Anodized Nonstick 17-piece cookware set offers exceptional value for its price. You get a full range of pots and pans that are durable and scratch-resistant, non-stick and easy to clean, oven and dishwasher safe, comfortable to handle, excellent for everyday use. While it's not suitable for induction stoves, it more than makes up for it with performance and versatility on gas and electric cooktops.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.